Greetings, my lords and ladies, and gentlemen and gentlewomen. 'Tis I, King Mantazar, with another weekly fact of the week. Now, as far as Britain is concerned, the typewriter is dead. Yes, a company called Brother, who used to make typewriters, have now ceased manufacturing them, and it was the last company in England to make typewriters. Thus, England do not manufacture them anymore. Now, I've never used a typewriter myself. Of course, we don't have them in Aragoth. We use quill pens. But anyway, here are a few more facts about typewriters. The electric typewriter was invented by Thomas Edison in 1872. My. And early users of the typewriter were known as typewriters. But due to confusion, they became known as typists. And finally, the best typewriter in the world is called the Chuck Norris. It is the size of a bus. I'm not sure if that one's true. No, I don't think that's true at all. Anyway, still, fact about the usage of quill pens in Aragoth. The best quills are made from the wing feathers of a griffin. They're expensive, of course, but a very fine addition to any noble's desk. There were rumours that somebody once made a quill pen out of the tail feathers of a phoenix, which would have been quite a sight, but apparently the parchment would always set on fire. It is a terrible waste of parchment. Parchment is quite expensive in Aragoth. The taxes on parchment are going up a ridiculous amount. I set the taxes, I suppose. Well, I let somebody take care of it. I let somebody else take care of that. Especially while I'm away. Well, actually, the Dragon King, I suppose, is taking care of that anyway. I suppose it's giving me a few weeks off, really. Anyway, do look forward to this weekend's episode of Quest for the Dragon Sword. I hope you have a fine evening. Do subscribe if you have not already. Please share this video and spread the word of King Mantazar's quest. I thank you now, my lords, ladies and gentlemen, for watching, and I bid you farewell. How does this... Ah!
If you want to help in the fight against the Dragon King, then press the subscribe brick to follow my quest. If you do, then that's one more of you against the Dragon King. The more of you there are, the greater my chances of saving Aragoth. Don't be selfish. Think of the poor citizens of Aragoth under the tyrannous rule of the Dragon King. With your help to find the Dragon Sword, I could defeat him. Subscribe! Do it! Go on! Press the last week brick to watch the last quest log to be uploaded.